Let's make 10 cookies under rupees 100. Yes, you heard it right. These are chewy and gooey from inside. And in this recipe, I have shared a secret, so watch till the end. Let's start. Take half cup of sugar, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of butter or little less than that. Now add some vanilla essence and give it a nice mix until everything gets mixed. All the measurement in the grams would be in description box. Let's start with our secret. That is 2 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoon of warm water plus 1 teaspoon of oil. Now mix everything well and add it to your batter. Now this is the secret for making it eggless. As you add your baking powder, it gives you a nice and chewy and gooey texture. Now add 1.5 cup of flour. You can use any flour or purpose flour or wheat flour. As we are trying to make it under rupees 100, I have used wheat flour in this recipe. Now add some chocolate chips and chocolate chunks. This will cost you around 28 rupees. Now add it to the batter and make some balls. Now this recipe would make about 10 cookies balls. Now freeze these balls in the freezer for at least 30 minutes and then bake them on 180 degrees Celsius for about 14 to 15 minutes. And yes, they are baked completely. Can you see the texture? It's so damn good. Try this recipe out and let me know. Bye bye.